just heading out to Dorset for the day, going down to Old Harry's Rocks. And where else did we say we was going? Durdle Door probably. But we need to find somewhere to park and walk down. So I'll be there today, capturing some epic views and some shots. So I'll show you everything that we've captured. It's nice to just get out, you know, enjoy your country for once. And there's so many dope spots here in the UK. Definitely going to be traveling around more, exploring here. There are some other locations abroad where I'm looking to go, but UK has so many nice spots. Definitely going to be checking them out all. So stay tuned.